the role of ultrasound in observing fetal behavior. Welcome to Kids Healthy Tips. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, the role of ultrasound in observing fetal behavior. Stay with us as we explore how ultrasound technology helps monitor fetal activity, what doctors look for in these scans, and the advances in ultrasound techniques that allow for detailed fetal observation. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sarah, and today we're exploring the incredible world of fetal ultrasound. Let's begin by understanding how ultrasound technology works to monitor fetal activity. Ultrasound technology uses high-frequency sound waves to create images of the fetus inside the womb. These images help doctors monitor the development and behavior of the fetus throughout pregnancy. By emitting sound waves and capturing their echoes, the ultrasound machine constructs a visual representation of the fetus, which appears on the screen in real time. This real-time imaging is crucial. It allows healthcare providers to observe the fetus's movements, measure growth, and assess overall health. But it's not just about static images. Dynamic observation is key to understanding fetal behavior. When doctors examine ultrasound scans for fetal behavior, they're looking for several indicators. These include movement patterns. Regular movements indicate normal muscle and neurological development. Heart rate monitoring for consistent and healthy heartbeats. Breathing movements. Practice breathing movements are essential for lung development. Response to stimuli. Reactions to sound and touch can indicate sensory development. Positioning. Assessing the fetus's position helps predict delivery complications and overall well-being. Doctors use these behavioral indicators to gauge the fetus's health and development. For instance, frequent movement and response to stimuli are positive signs, while a lack of movement might prompt further investigation. Advances in ultrasound techniques for detailed fetal observation. Ultrasound technology has advanced significantly over the years. Early ultrasounds provided only basic images, but today's high-resolution 3D and 4D ultrasounds offer detailed and dynamic views of the fetus. 3D ultrasounds create three-dimensional images, while 4D ultrasounds add the element of time, allowing us to see the fetus in motion. These advanced techniques provide clearer and more comprehensive views of fetal anatomy and behavior. With these advances, doctors can now observe intricate details such as facial expressions, limb movements, and even the development of the fetal heart and brain. These detailed observations are invaluable for detecting potential issues early and planning appropriate interventions. Ultrasound technology continues to revolutionize prenatal care, offering a window into the womb and helping ensure the health and well-being of both mother and baby. By observing fetal behavior, doctors can make informed decisions to support healthy pregnancies and outcomes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of medical technology. Leave your questions and comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.